Hey, this is Tyler Hager reporting live from outside of TPEI. We're going to go inside and see what's so cool about manufacturing.
My name is Slayton Altenburg. I'm an application specialist for technical process and engineering. The products we manufacture here are continuous mixers and single screw extruders for the plastics compounding industry, made through a combination of CNC machining processes, welding, fabrication, and integration. The qualifications you would need to work at this company vary depending on the position. Laborers with just a very basic education, engineers that require 4-year mechanical engineering or manufacturing engineering degrees, and a heavy level of experience in computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing software.
My name is Jackson Ring. I'm a machinist at Technical Process and Engineering. I've been working here for about 1.5 years. I make parts and components for the compounding industry, which involves actually making plastic, something that we use and see every single day.
My name is Tyler Hahn. I'm a CNC mill operator. I've been working here full-time for 6 years. You get to see a raw piece of material come in, and then it's almost like unearthing something. You get to machine it down. It's just neat seeing something come out of almost nothing.
My name is Cramer. I've been working here for about 4 years. I make these parts called rotors. They're the mixing part of the machine. You can come in and take a chunk of metal and turn it into something that somebody can use.
My name is Donovan. I'm a mechanical designer. I work in engineering, so I make 3D models and prints that go out to the shop to be made.
I like to work at TPEI because the opportunities that I have here to grow as a worker and as a person myself, really stick with it, never give up. And if you fail, you just gotta pick up and keep going and try harder.
I know that there's a different challenge ahead of me every single day. It keeps you thinking and on your feet. If you're interested in working with metal, it's something that you'll love.
I like manufacturing because it's creative. It lets me get my creativity out.
It's a good job for around the area. It's definitely something that's going to grow with the technological advances that we're going to come along. Literally every industry that you're in, it's going to affect the machining world.
And that's why I like to work at TPEI.
And that's why I like to work at TPEI.
And that's why I like to work at TPEI.
And that's why I like to work at TPEI.
And that's why I like working at TPEI.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing.